Okay, hello students. Today our topic is globe. It is the most basic topic of geography. And in geography, there is a graphy word and it belongs to the globe only. Actually, the first definition is what is globe? Have you seen globe ever? I think everybody there is a knowledge about of globe. Actually, globe is the graphical representation of Earth. Simply with the definition, we can say it is a miniature, real model of Earth. Real model of Earth, which is represented with the help of imaginary lines. Actually, in real model, why? Because it really exists. But everything on the globe or all the lines, they are imaginary lines. For example, if we talk about here, this is the globe and the lines on the globe, these are imaginary lines. These are not found in on actual Earth. Okay, so they are graphs. How? Listen up. Actually, if we talk about the globe is like this. These type of lines are found. These are vertical lines. Some are horizontal lines also. So these type of vertical and horizontal lines grid. Actually, this one is known as grid. So group of grids is known as globe here. Okay. Actually, have you seen a graph? On graph, there is a representation of x-axis and this one is y-axis. So if there is a circular body and we impose this graph on this circular body, so these type of representations can be seen. Okay, so graph or globe is simply a graphical representation of Earth with the help of horizontal and vertical lines. Actually, these horizontal and vertical lines have specific names. For horizontal lines, there is a word latitude. For vertical line, these are longitude. But these lines are not so simple. There are some type of twist. Actually, if we simply talk about the latitude, listen up carefully here. Actually, latitudes are not lines. Actually, if there is a earth, this is the center of the earth, for example. Actually, earth as a sphere, center can be taken from anywhere. Because on the sphere, if you put a point anywhere, it becomes center. But we are not talking about the outer face. We are talking about the interior part. The interior center of the earth is known as center here. Okay. So from the center of the earth, if we assume it is the angle of 0 degree, flat portion is 0 degree. The vertical angle is 90 degree. Somewhere it is 30 degree. It will be 45 degree and it is 60 degree. Similar things will found here. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. If we connect all these angles like this. These lines becomes latitude. So latitudes are the angles or angular distance from the center of the earth, not the lines. These are angles from the center of the earth. And how many angles can be there? We simply say how many latitudes are there. For example, maximum 90 is here, 90 in south, and 0 degree means once is there. 0 degree itself is a latitude, so it is considered as 1. So 90, 90 and 1, it is 181. So latitudes are 181 in number. But actually we represent this type of graph in 2D and 3D. In 2D it is map, in 3D it is globe. On map there are only 179 latitude lines because 90 degree north and south are just points, and points can't be considered as lines because they are point, they can't be considered as lines. So number is 179 if we take them on map or 2D. But on globe, actually on map these are lines, but on globe these are circles. Because on a spherical body, for example this water bottle, if we take a line here, this line becomes circle. So simply these are circles and they are 181 in number. Clear? Okay. So if they are circles, simply we can say this type of circles are found. Here we can observe the circumference of circles decreases from equator to poles. So the largest circle is found on the equator. So that's why it is known as great circle. So 0 degree is known as great circle and smallest circle is on the pole. Clear? Okay. So these are some basic points about the globe. Okay. Another thing, because these are the angles and angles remain same on the whole globe. So that's why difference between 1 degree latitude is always remain same. It is 111. 111 kilometer. Okay, and it remains same. And how it is beneficial for us? For the sailors, now it becomes easy or it became easy to calculate the actual distance. For example, it is 60 degree, 0 degree. We know the actual distance 60 into 111. It is this. So they can assume the distance and time taken by them to cover a distance or for the trade purpose. So that's why it was very important. Okay. So again, if we talk about the latitude here, there are some important latitudes. 90 degree north, 0 degree latitude separate Earth in two equal halves. That's why it is known as equator. It is known as equator because it divides Earth into two equal halves. Northern side is northern hemisphere. Southern side it is southern hemisphere. So all the angles will be taken as north. For example, it is 23.5 degree north. It is 66.5 degree north, 90 degree north. Similarly, in the southern side also, 23.5 degrees south, 66.5 degrees south, and 90 degree south. It is known as Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Antarctic Circle because of Antarctica. And here is Arctic region, so known as Arctic Circle. This is North Pole. This one is South Pole. So there are some important latitudes here. I think you know about the latitude now. So take a look on longitude also. Actually, longitudes are vertical lines. Actually, these are also angles. How? Listen up here. If we take Earth like this, half portion of the Earth, this one is center again, 90 degree, 0 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. Remaining angles are also found in between this. So we take straight lines from here, like this. So these type of angles can be seen as longitude. So longitudes are also angular distances from the center of the earth. They are taking from north to south, straight line. But actually they are from east to west, from this angle to this angle. So as a circle, how many angles can be there? So maximum, because in a circle maximum of 360. So longitude are 360 in number. Why not 361? Because here 0 and 360 at same place. That's why they are not 361, they are only 360. But there are some problem here also. Longitudes are as line or a half circle. But if we complete a circle, for example this, there is a half circle, but here this half makes a complete circle. So two longitudes makes one circle. So if we consider them as circle, these are 180 in number. So half circle or line 360, circle is 180. So simply we can say, in a longitude, here in back portion we can see, this one, the distance is going to decrease, or it decreases from equator to poles. Maximum distance, because of the arc or arcuate culture, arcuate shape of the earth, there is a decrease in distance. It is maximum near the equator, 111.32 kilometers, and becomes 0 on the poles. Okay, so simply say there is a difference, but the circumference of all the longitudes remains same, because the points north and south points are same. That's why there is no difference in the circumference. So longitudes are the circles with equal or same circumference, or there is no great circle type of things. Clear? Okay. So again, how longitude helps? So now we know the distance between latitudes fixed, and we know the distance between longitude also. So with the help of Pythagoras, we can assume the diagonal distance also. So for the mathematicians or all these sailors, it became very easy to calculate the distance and time taken by them for their trading purposes. So globe is the most important thing. Okay, I think these basic things are get clear. There are another thing also like ideal, like GMT also we will discuss in other classes. Okay, so that's all about the globe portion. Thank you all.